Okay, good morning, student. Welcome back in Miss Rita's class. And as usual, we are going to yell together. English.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes,
Ivan
yes.
sama
Yes,
Odi.
yes, yes. Hidup Sen
Hidup
Yosef.
San
Hidup
Yose.
Sen
Dosen.
Yosef.
Okay, thank you.
Dosen.
Yes, thank you. And special for today, Miss Rita going to talk about the new material that is dealing with basic competency 3.1 that is about asking and giving opinion. Jadi hari ini topik kita adalah tentang asking and giving opinion. Why I should discuss about it? Because it has tight correlation with our program collaborative learning karena ini ada hubungannya dengan program CL kita ya. And in the first theme, the basic competency that will be used is basic competency number 3.1, asking and giving opinion. Now Miss Rita going to share my slide and we are going to have fun together. Jadi hari ini kita bermain sambil belajar. Okay. Now Miss Rita going share my slide. Ya, Miss Rita mau share my slide. Today's topic we are going to talk about asking and giving opinion. Now, my question is, what is the target of this meeting? Because Miss Rita wants you to understand the purpose, structure, and the language feature used in asking and giving opinion. And the second, my goal or the main goal is you can write a short dialogue of asking and giving opinion well. Jadi target yang paling penting adalah kamu bisa menulis. Maka Miss Rita akan ajarkan. Now, Miss Rita wants you to practice and Miss Rita gonna add your point. Jadi Miss Rita akan menambahkan poin untuk yang berani membaca, become a doctor and also become the student. Ya, sekarang Miss Rita akan menunjuk ya, menunjuk. Sebentar. Nah, ya, sekarang siapa yang mau berani menjadi doctor and also the student become the nurse, satu jadi perawat, satu jadi dokter. Yo, wants to try? Siapa yang mau mencoba? Any one of you? Oke, Joanna Gracia untuk nilai poin plus sebagai dokter dan Godelia Jelita. Oke ya. Slide-nya sudah Miss Rita bagikan, bisa sebenarnya dibaca ya kalau kurang jelas. Oke, sudah cukup jelas ya. Oke, sekarang Joanna Gracia menjadi dokter and Godelia Jelita menjadi nurse. Oke, dari Godelia dulu. Morning, doctor. Ya.
Morning, doctor. What is your opinion about our vaccine program? Is it safe for comorbid patients?
Oke,
In my
Joanna
opinion,
Gracia.
okay, ma'am. In my opinion, vaccine is very effective for protecting someone's health during COVID-19. I think vaccine for comorbid patients is very useful so it can protect their health. However, they are in a good condition and under doctor control.
Ya, Godelia.
I couldn't agree more. I think it's good for keeping their immune system. It reduces the high risk to get a bad symptoms.
Oke, thank you. You get a 3 point plus. Jadi nanti kalau Miss Rita berikan tugas, ingat ya, kamu sudah dapat nilai point plus 3. Ya, sekarang I would like to add your point for anyone who can answer this. Ya, ini ya, ada 4 pertanyaan. There are 4 questions. First, can you identify the pattern in asking and giving opinion found in the dialogue? Number second, what is the dialogue about? And the third is, what does the doctor suggest the comorbid patient to do? And the last one, I couldn't agree more means. Yuk, yang pertama dulu. Who can answer this? Yuk, siapa yang bisa menemukan pola kalimat? Oke, Fania. Sambil saya tunjukkan lagi. Yuk, mana pola kalimatnya? Fania?
First,
Hmm?
the nurse is asking the doctor the opinion about the vaccine program, and then
Yes. Kalimatnya bagaimana? Kalau sentence-nya gimana? What is
what is your opinion?
about our vaccine program? Berarti ini termasuk asking or giving?
Asking.
Good job. 3 poin plus ya untuk Fania ya. Kemudian next. Kalau tadi mau tak tambah 1 poin plus lagi Fania. Kalau tadi asking, sekarang giving opinion yang mana?
Yang in my opinion vaccine is very effective Blah blah blah.
Oke. Berarti poin plusnya satu lagi ya. 4 point plus berarti. Ya, oke, good job. And then the second one. The second question is, what is the dialogue about? Ini pertanyaannya mudah, maka Miss Rita hanya beri poin 2. Ayo, siapa yang bisa? Raise your hands up. What is the dialogue about? Tentang apa toh dialognya tadi? Yo, who can answer this? Yo, kalau nggak ada berarti Miss Rita lempar ini pertanyaan untuk kalian. Ya, any one of you who wants to try? Yes, Ye Marcel. What is the dialogue about? Saya bukain lagi. Ya, what is the dialogue about? Ye Marcel, 2 point plus for you.
The dialogue is about vaccine COVID-19, and he asks how your opinion about vaccine.
Yes, about vaccine opinion, especially for comorbid patient. Oke, 2 poin plus ya untuk Ye Marcel. Oke, well done. Oke, next. Number 3. The question is, what does the doctor suggest the comorbid patient to do? Any one of you who wants to answer? Yo, any one of you? Yes, what does the doctor suggest the comorbid patient to do? Gampang loh. Ya, tadi dokternya menyarankan apa ini? Ya, raise your hands up. Come on. Yes. Any one of you wants to try? What does the doctor suggest the patient to do? Yes, ini loh, di sini kelihatan. Oke, kita jawab bareng-bareng ya. Berarti the doctor suggests that the comorbid patient should be in a good condition or under the doctor's control. Jadi kalau yang comorbid itu boleh vaksin tapi tetap harus dalam pengawasan dokter. And the last, ini Miss Rita langsung beri poin 4. Kadang ada sedikit sulit ya. I couldn't agree more. Artinya apa? Oke, Jeremy. Plus 4.
Yes.
Yes.
Because one of the nurse didn't agree in the doctor opinion.
I didn't agree. No, this is not the correct answer. Any one of you, 4 point plus. Okay, Jeremy. Renata, yeah.
I couldn't agree more. It means completely agree.
Yes. Jadi justru ketika ada couldn't, kemudian ada diakhiri dengan more, itu bukan agree, bukan disagree, tetapi justru malah agree, totally agree. Betul, tadi Renata ya. Renata, okay, good job. Yes, Renata. Okay, now Miss Rita going to continue our explanation. Yes, this one. So what is the topic of today? What is the topic of asking and giving opinion? The social function of asking and giving opinion is to ask or express opinion and give reason on what matter and issue. Jadi tujuannya adalah memberikan opini atau pendapat, dan juga yang terpenting adalah memberi alasan. Opinion is including the word of opinion and argument or reason. Jadi dalam opini itu selalu ada namanya reason atau alasan. Itu membuat opini yang bagus. Maka ketika saya melihat opinimu bagus kemarin, saya beri nilai sampai 100. And in expressing dialogue, you have two situations, whether formal or informal situation. Now, Miss Rita going to straight about the pattern of asking and giving opinion. Nah, di sini ya, Miss Rita mau memberi pattern tentang asking and giving opinion. If you want to give opinion, tidak hanya kamu bisa menggunakan kata think. Ada beberapa pola loh. For example, as far as I'm concerned, I bla bla bla. Nah, boleh. Itu malah lebih formal. Ini formal ya. Kemudian, in my opinion, in my view. Nah, itu boleh. Kamu kan seringkali cuma I think. Kalau misal lihat dari jawabanmu yang kemarin, asking and giving opinion yang Miss Rita pengen coba open your mind, ternyata dari kamu tuh jawabannya banyak yang I think. Ternyata there are many patterns beside I think. Jadi ada for my point of view, kemudian to my mind, I reckon that, I strongly believe that, terus I feel that, personally speaking, I believe that, for me, I reckon. Lah ini memberi opini ya. Jadi besok lagi ketika giving opinion, jangan hanya menggunakan I think. Nah, I think she is okay. In my opinion, she is okay. For my point of view, you are the best. Nah, gitu bisa ya. Tapi untuk pattern yang pertama, as far as I'm concerned, itu terlalu formal ya. Tapi it's okay, bisa digunakan. Kemudian, how to asking opinion. Kalau bertanya gimana, Miss? Seperti yang muncul dalam patternnya dialog tadi adalah, what do you think of? Do you think that? Nah, do you see what I'm getting at? Do you know what I mean? Do you agree with my opinion? Nah, ini jadi bagaimana tentang menanyakan. Misalnya, what is your opinion about school holiday? What is your opinion about virtual class? Nah, ini namanya menanyakan ya. Seperti itu. Kemudian, the way to answer. Kalau tadi kan asking. Lah, sekarang kalau menjawab, kamu setuju dan tidak setuju, itu ada beberapa polanya. Lah, kalau part 3 agreeing itu apa tuh maksudnya, Miss? Ini setuju tapi tidak setuju tapi tidak sepenuhnya. Jadi ya oke lah, menurut saya benar sih, tapi jadi tidak begitu tapi kalau yang agree ini berarti totally agree. Nah, ini ya tadi ya. I couldn't agree more. Lah, tadi Miss Rita maka mencari kamu siapa yang bisa menjawab. Ternyata Renata. Ya, you are brilliant. Ketika ada kata I couldn't agree and more, ini bukan berarti tidak setuju, malah justru totally agree. Jadi I totally agree with you. I couldn't agree more. I'd go along with that. I feel the same. You're absolutely right. Absolutely no doubt about it. That's the point and I see what you are coming from. Lah ini setuju. Tapi kalau disagreeing, I'm afraid I disagree. I don't agree with you. That's not the way I see. I don't think so. I don't feel the same. Ini menolak. Lah, seperti tadi yang terakhir Mista bilang, partly agreeing artinya setuju tapi tidak total. Misalnya, I see your point. I see your point. But, ini kan berarti oke, saya tahu, tetapi menurut saya kok lebih bagus seperti ini ya. Jadi setuju tapi setengah-setengah. Nah, itu ya. I can agree with you that bla bla bla. I agree with you on an extent. However, jadi diberi penjelasan. Ya boleh sih. Kemarin saya menemukan di pekerjaanmu itu lucu jawabannya 50-50 ya. Daripada kamu menulis 50-50, mendingnya kamu nulis oke, I agree with your point, but itu sudah ada ya, sudah masuk ke situ ya. Tidak usah ditulis 50-50. Kemarin saya tuh mengecek pekerjaan kalian ada yang seperti itu ya. Oke, now it's time for doing such kind of quiz atau games lagi ya. You will get my extra point after you arrange the jumble word ya. Oke, tadi sudah tahu ya salah satu pola-polanya yang bisa kita pelajari. Sekarang dari pola yang dipelajari tadi, ada yang bisa menyusun? Can you raise your hands up ya atau raise ya hand. Elisa Brenda. Oke, satu-satu. Elisa Brenda, point number 1 ya. Oke. I think time minutes are well shoot. Elisa, what is the answer?
The answer is I think we should manage time or well.
Once again, I think
we should manage time or well.
Are you sure? Any other answer? Kurang sedikit sebenarnya. Aulia Septi. Oke, kurang pas ya, Alicia. Oke, Aulia. Oke,
The answer is I think we should manage our time well.
Yes, our time well. Ya, jadi kesalahannya Elisa tadi pada bagian terakhir justru. Yes. Number 2, is your COVID opinion about 19 what? Ayo, gampang loh ini. Aditya Chandra. Oke, 3 poin. Aditya Chandra. Oke.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The answer is?
What is your opinion about COVID-19?
Oke. Do you want to get 1 point plus for me? Tambahan 1 poin lagi. Aditya?
Apa?
Ya, kalau ini termasuk asking or giving opinion?
Asking.
Yes, asking. Berarti poinmu 4 ya. Oke, next. Don't opinion I have the same with you. Ya, Erika. Erika udah ya tadi ya? Oh, Erika. Yuk, Erika dulu deh. Erika. Oke, Erika. Yes.
I have the same opinion with you.
Yeah, I don't have the same opinion with you. Tambahan poin plus lagi. Ini agree or disagree or partly agree?
Disagree.
Yes, berarti poinnya 4 ya. Kemudian, should do math where you agree that we. Yo, sebentar, dari bahasa gantian ya. Jeremy, yo, Jeremy.
Okay. Do you agree that we should wear a mask?
Ya,
Wear
do you
mask.
agree that
Ya.
we should wear mask? Oke, sebentar. Miss Rita kasih poin 1 plus lagi. Coba
Ya, Miss.
answer this using partly agreement. Ya, tak tambah
Yes.
poin 2 deh kalau bisa. Partly agreement ya.
I mostly agree with you, but bla 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 gitu, Miss.
Nah, bla 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 blanya apa nggak jadi tambah 2 loh.
Oh, but I like to do not wear a mask.
Yeah, I partly agree with you. I agree with you, but actually I don't like wearing mask lah. Oke, good job
Yes.
ya. 5 poin untuk Jeremy. Yes. Kemudian, your I totally agree. Idea brilliant. Yo, any one of you? Ya, coba bahasa. Armadea. Yo, Armadea. Ya, Armadea.
I totally agree with your brilliant idea.
Oke, Armadea 3 point plus. Oke, next. Sekarang, Miss Rita beri challenge more. Yes, there is a picture here. Ada gambar di sini. Ya, complete this dialogue using asking and giving opinion. Kalau di sini berarti kan kalau asking sudah ada ya, berarti giving opinion ya. Ini kan teachernya bilang, what is your opinion about this room? Nah, ini salah satu murid bilang, in my opinion, this room is dirty, so it must be clean soon. Nah, kemudian satu yang lain bilang, I couldn't agree more. Artinya benar-benar setuju ini. Saya benar-benar total setuju. Lah, coba yang kamu pretend become this boy. So, can you make another opinion about this room? Ya, Mista kasih poin 5 nih kalau kamu bagus create opini. Yo, what is your opinion about this room? I am a teacher. Yo, so what is your answer? Mista beri poin sampai 5. Oh, Abim. Okay, what is your answer, Abim?
My opinion is, this room needs to be cleaned fast before everything, before the class starts soon.
Okay, so do you think that this room is very dirty?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, well done. Good job for Abim. I would like to give you 5 point plus. Any one of you who wants to give another opinion? Yo, pakai totally agree ya bisa loh. Itu kan there is no wrong answer. Tidak ada jawaban salah ya. If in case you have another opinion boleh. Anyone? 5 poin untuk kamu? Oh belum. Ya, oke ya. Misalnya, in my opinion, this class is so messy. Nah, untuk mengganti kata dirty diganti messy, boleh ya seperti itu ya. Oke, next point. Ada yang mau coba jawab lagi? Armadea, coba menjawab. Oke, ya. Sekarang sudah picture. Miss Rita gonna challenge you. Yo, Miss Rita want you to create such kind of dialogue. Miss Rita pengen kamu mengkreasikan sebuah dialog, tapi dialognya ini secara virtual. Jadi Miss Rita nanti become the person who asks, and then your time is to answer. Tapi nanti yang bisa menjawab hari ini berarti otomatis minggu depan ketika kita mencoba meng-create dialog, kamu sudah saya tambahkan nilai-nilainya ini loh. Ada yang tambahan 2, tambahan 4. Misalnya dialogmu besok misalnya nilai 85, terus poin plus di atasnya plus 4, plus 3, plus 2, plus 4, kayak gitu ya. Jadi untuk nilai kalian sendiri. The dialogue is about virtual class, games online, friendship, and COVID-19. Ya, ada yang mau mencoba juga boleh loh. Tidak usah menunggu Miss Rita yang mengkreasikan. Ya, oke, Fania. Yes. Fania sama siapa? Jeremy. Ya, oke. Fania and Jeremy. Siapa yang mau bertanya? Fania atau Jeremy? Fania atau Jeremy? Nanti total poin tambahan hanya 7 ya. Nanti kan kalau besok nilainya Miss Rita 90 tambah 10 masa 100 dialognya. Yuk Fania. Fania menjadi asking ya. Asking kemudian Jeremy menjawab menjadi answering. Giving opinion. Yuk Fania and Jeremy, topikmu bebas. Nah, tergantung. Nanti kalau Fania tanya, what is your opinion about COVID-19? In my opinion, COVID-19 is very dangerous. Lah, kayak gitu loh. Ya, mau kamu lanjutkan semakin banyak ya enggak apa-apa. Gitu. Oke, yuk, Fania, mencoba yuk. Fania, mikrofonnya mana tadi, Mbak Fania? Oke, Fania and Jeremy.
What is your opinion about the virtual class?
Yeah, what is your opinion about virtual class? Okay, Jeremy.
In my opinion, yes. In my opinion, virtual class is kinda make me happy, but it's not that effective.
It's not very effective. Okay, Fania, want to add another sentence? Misalnya ya, why you said that it's not effective? Boleh seperti itu. Yo.
What's make the virtual class is not very effective for the lessons?
Because I usually lost my signal.
Okay, nice idea ya, Fania and also Jeremy. Okay, well done. Oke, berarti you get 7 point plus. Jadi sudah total ya. Nanti yang lain there is no time to answer. Jadi kalau untuk khusus Fania and Jeremy sudah maximal point. Oke, next. Anyone who wants to try? Yuk, masih ada waktu. Ada yang pengen mencoba lagi? Ya kayak Fania dan Jeremy tadi loh. Only 4 letters, 4 dialogue, 4 sentences boleh. Yuk, beranikan diri to try. Yes, try. Just try and try. Okay, any one of you? Ada yang pengen mencoba? Oke, sementara belum dulu ya. Oke, yuk. Miss Rita, nanti untuk for the next meeting, Miss Rita still holding such kind of meeting. Jadi untuk pertemuan minggu depan, Miss Rita tetap akan video conference. Dan next week-nya lagi, 2 weeks later, itu Miss Rita akan giving you without video conference. And Miss Rita gonna simplify. Miss Rita akan menyimpulkan dulu ya. So before we end up our meeting, ya, Miss Rita, our topic of today, we are going to talk about asking and giving opinion. And in asking and giving opinion, the most important thing you have to learn this pattern, ya. Patternnya apa toh Miss to asking and giving opinion? Kalau giving opinion or asking opinion itu berbeda. Kalau asking itu menanyakan opini, tetapi giving itu memberi opini. Nah, kalau ini untuk biasanya sentence pertama. Tetapi untuk setuju dan tidak setuju itu setelah kamu diberi jawaban, baru kamu setuju atau tidak setuju. For example, what do you think of this virtual class? Kemudian kamu opinimu, in my opinion, this virtual class is not very effective. Lah, kemudian Fania tadi bisa langsung disambung dengan kata setuju atau tidak setuju. Misalnya, I don't think so because virtual class is effective for me. Nah, itu ya. Jadi, agree dan disagree atau partly agreeing ini posisinya adalah setelah kamu memberi opini, temanmu memberi opini, baru kamu feedback kembali. Nah, seperti itu. Nanti kalau besok mengkreasikan seperti itu. Misalnya kayak tadi yang dikreasikan oleh Jeremy dan Fania. What do you think about this virtual class? Kemudian Jeremy bilang, I think virtual class is not very effective. Lah, kemudian Fania bisa langsung merespon. I disagree with you because I think virtual class is effective for me. Nah, itu jadi ada sambungannya seperti itu. Kemudian yang perlu Miss Rita tekankan, in giving opinion, tidak hanya I think terus. Kamu bisa, as far as I'm concerned, in my opinion, to my mind, in my view, from my point of view, I really feel that, seperti itu. Tetapi ketika kamu pengen menanyakan, ya boleh menggunakan what do you think of? Don't you think that? Would you agree on my idea? Would you go along with that? Do you agree with my suggestion? My opinion? Lah, kayak gitu ya. Kemudian ingat ketika menjawab tadi maka ada pattern yang Miss Rita perkenalkan, new pattern. Jadi ketika kamu bilang I couldn't agree more, itu maksudnya bukan tidak setuju, justru kebalikannya, totally agree. Totally agree atau agreeing itu bisa I couldn't agree more, I feel the same, yes you are absolutely right, no doubt, that's the point, dan lainnya. Terus kalau disagreeing, itu kita bilang I don't agree with you, I'm afraid, I don't think so. Nah, tapi kalau partly agreeing, kamu setuju tapi tidak total. Jadi setengah-setengah. I agree with you, but bla 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 itu termasuk partly agreeing. Ya. Oke, for the next meeting, nanti kamu akan Miss Rita tantang untuk create dialogue. Untuk ya penilaian pengetahuan khususnya untuk apa namanya writing. Miss Rita mau ngecek benar-benar ketika kamu menulis sudah benar belum polanya. Jadi nanti harapannya in collaborative learning you can create the best pattern in asking and giving opinion. Jadi nanti ketika CL-mu itu di dalam produk CL-mu itu ketika pattern asking and giving opinion itu Miss Rita harapkan benar-benar betul, jangan keliru ya, seperti itu. Any question so far? Ada pertanyaan sejauh ini sebelum Miss Rita nanti close this meeting? Any question so far? Ada pertanyaan dulu. Nanti hubungannya soalnya dengan produkmu. Pada produkmu besok asking and giving opinionnya boleh dialognya sedikit aja. Atau berupa opini tapi pakai bahasa Inggris. Kalau kamu kemarin lihat narasinya itu kan ada sedikit I think that COVID-19 lah. Itu kan ya, itu sudah ada asking and giving opinion di situ. Nah, kalau kamu bentuk dialog juga boleh, singkat. Dan nanti kalau dalam produkmu, Hi Abim, what do you think about this situation? I think, bla bla bla.
I think this thing ain't getting any worse.
Oke, kayak gitu ya. Jadi boleh seperti itu, semacam seperti itu ya. Jadi besok itu kamu masukkan di produkmu. Depend on the theme. Jadi depend on the title. Tergantung judul yang kamu buat. Nah, karena tema kita adalah PHK ya nanti dikaitkan dengan itu. Oke, any question so far? Ada pertanyaan sejauh ini dulu sebelum Miss Rita akhiri?
Maybe no.
No?
Maybe no. Another?
No?
Other?
Another please. Any question so far? Kalau tidak ada, Oke, for the last checking ya, last quiz ya, you may raise your hands up. Ini gampang nih ya. Remember again, yo diingat-ingat kembali. Can you mention the pattern of giving opinion? Ya, ada yang bisa raise your hands up. Saya miss. Nah, I think that, nah itu loh polanya. Ya diingat-ingat kembali. Ya, any one of you? Oke, Aditya. Apa tadi polanya Aditya?
In my opinion.
In my opinion. Ada lagi? I think. Ada lagi yang kamu ingat? I recall that. Lah, oke ya. Aditya, Miss Rita kasih poin +2. Berarti poinmu total 4 tambah 2, 6 ini. Ya. Kemudian tadi asking, giving opinion. Sekarang, do you still remember the pattern of asking? Tadi kan giving opinion. Sekarang asking. Yo, asking. Bertanya. Caranya gimana tadi? Ya, diingat-ingat kembali. Ya, raise your hands up. Oke, Elisa Brenda. Elisa.
What do you think?
What do you think? Oke, Elisa. Terus, Josephine Graciela.
Do you agree with me?
Do you agree with me? Oke. Terus, Benedictus Avila.
Would you agree with me that?
Yes. Terus satu lagi Jovendra. Jovendra.
Miss, what are you thought on that?
Ya, what are you thinking about that? Ya, boleh. Ya, Benedictus Avila. Ya, terus sekarang mengingat kembali. Kalau pattern menjawab agree, setuju. Nah, bukan disagree loh ya. Agree. Yo, ada yang mengingat? Ayo, Kesia Putri. Kesia? Kesia?
Ya, Miss. Yang saya ingat, I totally agree with you.
Terus next. Aulia Septi.
I couldn't agree more.
Yes, ingat loh ya, Aulia Septi itu bukan berarti disagree, justru totally agree. Sabina.
I feel the same.
I feel the same. Okay, good. Laurencia Ayu.
I see where you are coming from.
Oke, I see where you're coming from. Oke, sekarang kalau tadi di agree, sekarang disagree. Yo, disagree. Nicholas Rian. Disagree. Nicholas Rian.
I am not in line with you.
Ya. Oke. Oke, next. Jessica Andini.
I don't think so.
Nah, I don't think so. Binter. Hansel. Disagree.
I don't think that's work.
Oke, next. Jovendra.
I'm afraid I disagree.
Yes, I'm afraid I don't like it. Yes. Kalau tadi Miss Rita bilang partly agreement. Yo, Felicia, partly agreement. Terus Yeni. Yes. Partly agreement. Oh, kok gak dengar. Josephine, tadi siapa Mister bilang? Sieni dulu, Sieni. Partly.
I see your point, but
I see your point, but oke, Sieni. Ada lagi yang mau mencoba terakhir? Budelia, Stefania Anggun belum pernah nih. Stefania.
You make a good point, but
Yes, okay. Okay, thank you, student. I think you have understand, you have known well about my explanation. Hopefully you can practice creating a dialogue. So for the next meeting, Miss Rita really wants you to read your dialogue. Jadi dialog yang kamu kreasikan tadi kan ada 4 tema kan? Ada can be recreation, COVID-19, hobbies and friendship, and etc. Itu kamu membuat sendiri coba. Kemudian Miss Rita akan add the point. Jadi nanti Miss Rita akan menilai itu sebagai nilai penguatan. Istilahnya, oh berarti kamu sudah memang benar memahami. Ya, ingat kalau kamu itu mau do totally, Miss Rita tidak ragu sampai memberi kamu nilai 100. Ya, kalau benar-benar total ya bagus. Kemudian nanti kamu underline ya, di underline. Oh ini benar part of asking. Part of giving. Oh ini bagian agreement, bagian disagreement ya tuh. Semakin kamu membentuk create dialognya semakin bagus, itu nanti bisa kasih nilai semakin perfect ya. Karena ini sangat penting untuk CL-mu. Karena kalau ini konsepnya tidak matang, CL-mu nanti pasti membuatnya hancur ya. Miss Rita so really hope that you can do this task well. Oke. Any question so far? Tidak ada pertanyaan sejauh ini? Sudah paham ya? Halo anak-anak? Sudah paham?
Paham, Miss.
Oke.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss Rita hope that you can also fill the journal. Jadi silahkan jurnalnya diisi. Kemudian yang literasi minggu lalu, kalau ada yang Miss Rita tanda tanya, itu tolong dilengkapi daripada nilainya kosong. Nanti kamu cek langsung di bagian narasimu ya. Kalau sudah saya centang-centang kemudian saya question mark besar, berarti artinya kamu belum mengerjakan. Tetapi kalau sudah saya tanda ini apa namanya klungker-klungker terus 100 berarti artinya kamu betul. Ada yang saya nilai 87, 88 depends on your answer. Okay. I think that's all for today and I hope you can master about asking and giving opinion and see you on the next meeting and Miss Rita hope that you know this lesson well and can put this material into your collaborative learning product ya. Jangan sampai ada yang keliru meleset di collaborative learningnya ya. Oke, thank you for today and have a nice day. See you next week. English.
Yes.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Joseph. Makasih, Miss.
Yes.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Miss.
Yeah.